we have a Crayola Crown review. Yes, I haven't had crowns in a long time. There's all the colors in there. These are somewhat used already, but you know what? I don't care. We have red, or what do they call it? Yes, red. Let's just do the one here. Let's write my name. Done. All right, and we're gonna choose a green color. All right, we got green. All right, we're gonna try the green. No, that's not green. All right, pretty good so far. Pretty good. All right. Barely visible, but that's okay. Uh-oh. Oops. But you see, it works. This is perfect. All right. All right. One more color. Well, having a color white is useless because we're writing on white paper. Let's see, what color is it? Orange. All right. Tube. Very good. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Well, you know, here's the problem with these, and I'm glad this is why I do reviews, because sometimes there's another orange in here, so obviously they put two colors in here because these break so easily. We have a casualty, but honestly, these are pathetic, but they're great. YouTube. All right, well, there you go. All right, well, that's unfortunate, but I'm not going to give that bad review because of that, because that happens all the time. That is very unfortunate. So, Crayola is good. They're very easily broken. But I recommend Crayola over any crown brand. So, there you go. That is the Crayola Crown review. There's the box.